Unlock a new way to connect with your audience on Substack with the power of notes. Ever wondered what these little notes are on Substack and how they can supercharge your creator journey? Today, we're demystifying this fantastic built-in feature designed for spontaneous, short-form content that builds deeper connections with your community. Get ready to discover how notes can transform your Substack experience. So, what exactly are Substack notes? Think of them as your quick, informal way to share thoughts, links, polls, or even just a hello with your subscribers, unlike your main newsletter posts. Notes are designed for brevity and immediacy, making them perfect for those in-between thoughts that don't warrant a full email. The beauty of notes lies in their versatility. You can drop in a link to an interesting article you just read, ask your community a quick question to spark discussion, share a behind-the-scenes glimpse, or even just offer a word of encouragement. It's about fostering genuine, spontaneous interaction. The benefits are huge for creators. Notes allow you to maintain a consistent presence without the pressure of crafting lengthy posts. They encourage real-time dialogue, giving your subscribers a direct line to you. This fosters a stronger sense of community as people feel more involved and heard. Using notes is incredibly straightforward on your Substack dashboard. You'll find a dedicated section for notes. Simply click to compose your message, add any relevant links, or even create a simple poll with multiple choice options. You can even tag other writers or publications. Once you hit publish, your notes will appear in your subscribers' feeds and can also be seen on your Substack profile, often surfacing in a dedicated notes feed for your followers to discover. It's a powerful tool to keep your community engaged, build excitement between newsletter drops, and truly strengthen those valuable creator-to subscriber relationships. So, dive in and start experimenting with Substack notes. A circumflex euros. Your audience is waiting to hear from you.